How to change Instagram username. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the edit profile option you see there. Further, you will see the username text box, so tap on the username text box and now you will be able to change your username. So go ahead and make any required changes and make sure that you will only be able to change your username once or twice in 14 days, and you can edit your username up to 5 times in 30 minutes. So tap on the done option once you are done making the changes, and with this your username will be changed. So this is how you can change your username on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.